Welcome back to Moto Market Explorer. Today, we're looking at real motorcycles for sale in 2026, featuring classic machines across America with honest prices and real-world condition. Number 1. 1959 Harley-Davidson Hummer, $3,400, Indiana. This 1959 Harley-Davidson Hummer represents one of Harley's most approachable vintage models, built during a time when lightweight motorcycles were gaining popularity in the U.S. Originally designed as a simple, economical commuter, the Hummer is powered by a small displacement two-stroke engine that emphasizes simplicity over speed. This example is partially running and comes with a clear Indiana title, which is a major plus for a bike of this era. While some components are not period correct and it will need mechanical attention, it remains a solid entry point into early Harley ownership. For collectors or hobbyists looking for a manageable restoration project, this Hummer offers vintage character without the high cost usually associated with classic Harleys. Number 2. 1970 Triumph TR25W, $3,200, South Carolina. The 1970 Triumph TR25W blends British styling with rugged single-cylinder performance, originally developed to appeal to riders who wanted a lightweight but capable machine. This example has seen extensive mechanical refreshing, including new piston and rings, updated ignition, rebuilt forks, and a new wiring harness. These upgrades significantly improve reliability while preserving the bike's original character. The 19-inch front wheel with twin leading shoe brakes adds period-correct stopping power, making it a strong rider rather than just a display piece. For enthusiasts seeking a classic British motorcycle that's already mechanically sorted, this TR25W offers excellent value in today's market. Number 3. 1976 BMW R75/6, $6,750, Alabama. The BMW R75/6 is a benchmark in vintage touring motorcycles, known for durability, smooth power delivery, and timeless engineering. Powered by a 750cc air-cooled boxer engine, this model earned its reputation for long-distance reliability. This particular bike remains largely original and has not been restored, which will appeal to purists who value authenticity and patina over cosmetic perfection. At this price point, it offers an opportunity to own a classic BMW that can still be ridden regularly. For riders who appreciate understated design and mechanical longevity, the R75/6 continues to be one of BMW's most respected classics. Number 4. 1974 Honda CB554, $3,300, North Carolina. The Honda CB554 played a major role in defining the performance and reliability standards of 1970s motorcycles. With its smooth inline four-engine and balanced chassis, it was considered one of the most versatile bikes of its time. This example has been properly gone through and fitted with a Delcovic exhaust, offering improved sound and performance while retaining classic styling. It represents a strong balance between collectability and usability, making it ideal for riders who want a vintage bike they can actually enjoy on the road. In today's market, clean CB550s at this price are becoming increasingly rare. Number 5. 1978 Triumph Bonneville 750, $4,000, New York. The Triumph Bonneville 750 remains one of the most iconic British motorcycles ever produced. Known for its parallel twin engine and classic silhouette, it delivers an engaging riding experience that still resonates today. This example starts easily, runs well, and features upgraded carburetors while retaining most of its original components. The presence of a clear New York title adds confidence for buyers. As classic British motorcycles continue to climb in value, the Bonneville remains a cornerstone model for collectors and riders alike, offering timeless design and mechanical simplicity. Number 6. 1977 Kawasaki KZ650, $3,000, Ohio. The Kawasaki KZ650 represents the golden era of Japanese engineering, combining performance, reliability, and everyday usability. This bike has been recommissioned after long-term storage, with rebuilt carburetors, new tires, fresh fluids, and a new battery. Its inline-4 engine delivers smooth, predictable power, making it a great choice for riders transitioning into vintage motorcycles. Well-sorted examples like this are becoming harder to find, especially at this price. For those seeking a dependable classic that doesn't require immediate restoration, the KZ650 remains a smart buy. Number 7. 1975 Bultaco Frontera 360, $3,500, New York. The Bultaco Frontera 360 is a highly regarded Spanish off-road motorcycle, originally built for serious trail and competition use. This particular example is remarkably original and has spent decades on display, preserving much of its factory condition. While it currently has a minor ignition issue, the overall presentation and low mileage make it especially appealing to collectors of vintage European dirt bikes. With original examples becoming increasingly scarce, this Frontera offers a unique opportunity for enthusiasts who value authenticity and rarity over modern convenience. Number 8. 1985 Yamaha XJ700, $1,500, New York. The Yamaha XJ700 reflects the transition into more refined, rider-friendly motorcycles during the 1980s. Known for its reliability and smooth power delivery, this model remains a practical vintage option. This example runs well, has freshly rebuilt carburetors, and has received a full maintenance service. At this price point, it represents one of the most accessible entries into classic motorcycle ownership. For riders seeking affordability without sacrificing usability, the XJ700 continues to be a dependable and underrated choice. Number 9. 1976 Harley-Davidson Sportster 1000, $8,500, Georgia. This 1976 Ironhead Sportster has been tastefully customized into a traditional chopper, showcasing the raw personality that defines classic Harley-Davidson motorcycles. With a Springer front end, ape hanger handlebars, and short pipes, it captures the spirit of old-school customization while remaining mechanically sound. Ironhead Sportsters are increasingly appreciated for their mechanical character and historical importance. This example offers a balance between collectible value and visual impact, making it well-suited for enthusiasts who want a distinctive vintage Harley that stands out without losing its roots. Number 10. 1965 Honda Cub50, $775, Georgia. The 1965 Honda Cub50 is one of the most significant motorcycles ever produced, known worldwide for reliability and simplicity. This example remains largely original, including paint, engine, and frame, with very low mileage for its age. Despite minor issues such as a small fuel tank leak, it remains in running condition and includes original accessories. For collectors, the Cub represents an important piece of motorcycling history, while for casual riders, it offers unmatched ease of ownership. At this price, it stands out as one of the most affordable true classics on the market. That's today's list of motorcycles for sale in 2026. For more real listings, real prices, and classic bikes across America, subscribe to Moto Market Explorer and stay ahead of the market.